everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video that I came up with the idea. The palette was suggested by one of my subscriber friends, JJ. We're going to use the Norvina palette. And I was planning on doing this video, and she said she had a color in this palette that she was a little hesitant to use. So we're going to do a look using the purples. Now I think she was talking about this one, but we're just going to go ahead and use both purples. And I'm going to show you how to create a look without it being purple. You're just going to use it as a little pop of color. So this is a little bit of a colorful palette, but we're going to use it as a pop of color. So I've done my face except for my eyes. So first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes. I'm going to use my MAC paint pot in soft ochre. Okay, there we go. Now, I am going to start with the color base. And to me, that is just the perfect base shade. So I'm going to grab a nice fluffy brush. Base is a nice creamy nude matte shade. And I'm just going to go all over my eye with this. Just kind of sets my primer. And putting the powder down helps the eyeshadows to blend easier. Okay, there we go. Now, as usual, I've not planned this look, but we're going to go kind of a natural eye with just the pop of color. I'm going to go in with Incense, which is this one right here. It's a pretty, like a light brown tan. And I'm going to use it as my transition shade. So I'm using it above my crease and up towards the brow bone, but not all the way. And blend it all the way across. Now, in my crease, I am going to go in with this color Volatile, which is that one right there. I'm going to use a little smaller, more compact brush, one I can kind of control a little easier, and I'm going to work that just in my crease. And I started in the middle. If you want to make your eyes look wider, put more color here in the middle and blend it out to the edges. That'll give you a more opened look. I'm going to go back over with my initial brush I used just to blend all of this together. Just to make sure all my edges are blended. There, I like that. Now, I am going to go with another brush, a smaller brush. I'm going to go into Soul. And that is that purple. Now I say I'm like most of you who are afraid to use color. Just start with a little bit. Just start with a little. I'm just going to put this on the outer edge. Just this outer little V. Just to give me a hint of color. A little excitement in my eyeshadow without looking like I have purple eyes. There, see, I just added it on the edges. Now, if you want, you could get a smaller brush, go back into Volatile, which is what I used in my crease, and I'm just going to use it as a liner under my eye. There, now you can stop there. I'll zoom this in. I hope you can see that good. Let me close my eyes. Just a little pop of color And I could stop there, but I'm not going to. You know me, I'm not going to stop there. I am going to go into this Celestial, which is the purple glitter, and I'm going to put it right in the center of my eyelid. Now, if that was your pop of color you wanted to try, put it on the outer corner. Add a little under your eye. And there you go. Let me put my mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. That's the finished look. And I have to say, I like the purple. If you have green eyes like me, the purple really makes my green eyes pop. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted when I put up new videos. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.